na lang dikdikan to, coast to coast. Kapag gumana to, champion tayo, tayo ang magto-toast.
Sumabay, tumakda, tumalon din ako. Tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka boss. Mga moves na pang hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang paliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga.
Come and bounce the ball, likat sumabay. Bibihirang sumablay kahit sumakay. Mga maniti na ngay street ballin', determinado sa laro, we can never fallen. Kapag lumea parang agila, lakas ng stamina, run malamaki na. Kala mo nakakape pagkabarako, kapag sumalaksak, lakad ay inaararo. Minulog pa si Steve Nash, di wait ang speed flash. Cash out na ang mga boys, ready na ang Gcash. Ilang segundo crucial, walang kaba sa free throw. Lahat handa ng bumangga kapag
And we are now back to the ball game. Magandang hapon muli mga ka-Velvet. We're still witnessing a matchup for our 16 under division. This is Liceo de San Pablo Blue Lions versus LBDL X Armstrong Philippines. So magandang hapon muli sa ating lahat. Here comes Lapa. Fires at 3. Yes, sir! A big three-pointer brought to you by jersey number 16. Lapa. Kalangi to Mr. Panganiban. Panganiban fires. No good. Makukuha dito. And it's a jump ball. Ball will remain on the side of the Blue Lions. Panganiban to Kalangi. And Kalangi is fouled. Foul on jersey number 5. Regalo. That will be his first personal foul and second team foul. And to start our ball game for the Armstrong Philippines, we have Tabilangon, Regalo, Lapa, Candelario, and Takderan. And for the Blue Lions, we have Mendoza, Kalangi, Soriano Fernandez, and Panganiban. And Kalangi gets that second one. Score on the line is 4-3 with that 2 free throws by Kalangi. It's out of bounds. Miscommunication on Takderan. Thank you, Nak. You're the best. A huge shout out to Mr. Borch and Daya for bringing me some water here sa ating technical booth. Here comes jersey number 3. Naipasa kay Panganiban. Kalangi. So Nebreha is here inside now for Armstrong. Nebreha to Candelario rather. To Takderan. No good. Fernandez on that rebound. Panganiban. On the leather. Panganiban attacks. No good. And Panganiban gets that leather. Panganiban, that's short. And again, this Velvet South Basketball Battle of the Training Camps and Ball Clubs will not be possible without the support for following partners. First of all, syempre, ang AG Apparel by Mr. Ichi Cabanse. We have Brotherhood Barbershop, JEJ Auto Care, A Plus Recovery, and syempre our official media partner, Velvet Media Productions. And we would also like to acknowledge, of course, our table officials, our Velvet South referees, and syempre, ang Velvet Media Production headed by Cap JJ Magirang. That's Kalangi on that latest basket for the Blue Lions. Candelaria. And a jump ball. An attempt by jersey number 16. Lapa. Sorry, is that Lapa? Yeah, it's Lapa. Jump ball will remain on the side of Armstrong. Nebreha to Pareha to Regalo. Jersey number 14. Shot clock reset to 14. The Pastor is also inside now for the Armstrong Philippines. Regalo with a big 3, no good. Panganiban on that rebound to Kalangi. To Mendoza, Soriano, Mendoza. What a pass to Hayden. No good. Follow up by Panganiban, wala. But Lian will be fouled. We have a foul on jersey number 14. La Pastora. First personal foul and 13th foul for Armstrong. First shot for Panganiban is good. Two for two for Lian Andre Panganiban. We can see here supporting on the side of the Blue Lions is Sean Bigal. It's also from Liceo. Fernandez to Kalangi. Gives the ball to Mendoza. Back to Fernandez. 4 seconds to shoot. And a shot clock violation on the side of the Blue Lions. Coach Jackie and Coach Al is not happy about it. Tabilangon gives the ball to La Pastora. La Pastora launches no good. Hayden gets that ball. And that's a line ball para dito kay Soriano. Stepping on the line. Substitution. And Gio will be deployed inside, replacing Fernandez. That's Tabilangon at the latest basket from Armstrong and Kalangi recovers that ball, launches, no good. Mendoza is fouled. Mapipituhan dito si Kirby. First personal foul and a warning for penalty for Armstrong. And on the free throw line, we have Mab Mendoza. First shot, no good para dito kay Mendoza. Second shot for Mab Mendoza is good. La Pastora. Batan 2. It's jersey number 11. Pareha. Panganiban. Against 3 defenders. Mapipituhan dito jersey number 3. Nebreja. And the timeout by the Blue Lions.
Dilig basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet dilig basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet dilig basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet dilig basketball, liga, 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 liga.
Dito sa laro, di lang puro atake. Dapat meron kang diskarte, di pwedeng makasarili. Galawang malabro, Jason Williams kung pumasa. Double crossover na parang Iverson gumana. Iwanang babantay sa'yo, fake sabay rekta. Quick release ang banat parang sa Perry tumira. Wag nga lang pakumpiyansa sa laro, bilog ang bola.
There's a warning, I believe. Sorry, we're back after the timeout by the Blue Lions. There's a warning for second motion dito kay Andre Panganiban. Shooting 2 on the free throw line. Slian Andre Panganiban. He makes that first one. Shoutout nga po pala sa ating napakakisig na commissioner, Coach Dinan Mendoza. 2 for 2 for Panganiban. Batan is deployed inside now. And a steal. Tolentino is troubled. Here comes Vince Kalangi. Kalangi to Hayden. Soriano is fouled. Matatawagan muli dito jersey number 3. Nebreja. 2 consecutive fouls for Nebreja. First shot for Soriano is good. Two for 2 for Mr. Soriano. It's a 6-point lead by the Blue Lions as we approach the last 3 minutes of the first quarter. Here comes Kalangi on the fast break. That's too strong for Vince. Andre Batan attacks. And he gets that basket. Mendoza on the leather. Mendoza dumiretso. Mendoza couldn't get that basket. La Pastora on the rebound. Gives the ball to Batan. Batan attacks and he's fouled. Mapipituhan dito, jersey number 10, Tolentino. That will be his first personal and first team foul on the side of the Blue Lions. And on the free throw line, we have Andre Batan. Andre misses his first throw. Second shot is good.
Baka mangyayari pa yun. Yung January schedule na. Yung January kasi naka-full calendar tayo ng
Kalangi. To Soriano. Tolentino is blocked by La Pastora. And here comes jersey number 16. That's Lapa. There's a confusion there, but we are now back to the ball game. Soriano, the jersey number 6. Coronado to Mendoza to Tolentino with 4 seconds to shoot. And a 24-second shot clock violation by the Blue Lions. We're now approaching our last 2 minutes for our first quarter. Iisang kalamangan dito ng Blue Lions. Batan to Lapa to Batan to Tabilangon. He finds Andre. Andre launches it and it's good. Mapupunta na ang kalamangan dito sa Armstrong, Philippines. Coronado to Mendoza. Mendoza on the leather. Mendoza mapipituhan ng traveling. Batan. Tulapa. Back to Batan to Tabilangon. Back to Batan. Launches a 3. No good. La Pastora on the follow-up. Wala pa rin. Makukuha na ni Tolentino ang bola. Coronado on the leather. Coronado passes the ball to Mendoza. Mendoza lays it up. And a basket for Mab Mendoza. Batan. Nakalusot. But Andre misses. Lapa may papasa dito kay Mab Mendoza. But we have a foul on jersey number 14, Mendoza. Mapipituhan ka ng first personal foul and second team foul. Si Mab dito. Kirby to Lapa. Lapa launches a 3. No good. Soriano on that big rebound. Soriano. Traveling violation. And we're now approaching the last 25 seconds for first quarter. Pareha. To Tabilangon. Tabilangon loses that ball. Tolentino to Coronado. Coronado launches a 2. No good. Soriano on the follow-up. Wala pa din. Pareha. Tabilangon. And that's it for our first quarter. Official score is 15-14. 1 point lead by Liceo de San Pablo.
Lahat handa ng bumangga kapag sinabing let's go. Hang time, pwede pang mag-sleep. Pakita mo ang tikas mo na may sportsmanship. Bandang huli lahat tayo ay mananalo. Kahit mag-beast mode, appear lahat ng manlalaro.
Sumabay, tumakda, tumalon din ako, tumitry tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka boss. Mga moves na pang hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang panliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga.
Teka wait pare, pasa mo yung bola. Libre yung kakampi mo, wag ka naman suga pa. Hindi mananalo kung wala kang tiwala. Kaya nga kayo grupo kasi di mo kaya mag-isa. Hustle hard, wag kang tamarin, depensa lang.
And we are now back to the ball game. And to start our second quarter, mapipituhan dito si Pareha for his first personal foul for Eldan Lucas Pareha. Tolentino almost crossed that line. Kalangi. Traveling violation para dito kay Vince. Lapa. Pareha. Lapa on the ball. Lapa launches it. No good. Kalangi gives the ball to Coronado. Back to Kalangi. Kalangi finds Fernandez. Masyado malalim doon si Aaron. La Pastora rebounds. Back to the Blue Lions. Here comes Panganiban. No good. Makukuha nila Pastora. Sulapa. Pareha. Finds jersey number 21. Stuck the run. Pareha. It's 5 seconds to shoot para dito kay Pareha. La Pastora. In and out. Makukuha ni Fernandez ang rebound. Kalangi is fouled. Mapipituhan dito si Takderan for his second personal foul and second team foul. And on the free throw line, we have Vince Jacob Kalangi. Vince misses his first one. And he gets that second throw para dito kay Vince Kalangi. Muli magandang hapon mga ka-Velvet. We're still live here at the San Pablo City Central Elementary School Amante Gymnasium, witnessing an amazing matchup against LBDL Armstrong Philippines and Liceo de San Pablo Blue Lions. Panganiban and a steal by Nebreha to Batan to Regalo. We're seeing being deployed inside. For the Blue Lions, we have Kalangi, Fernandez, Tolentino, Coronado, and Panganiban. Meanwhile, on the side of the Armstrong, we have Regalo, Nebreha, Pareha, Takderan, and Andre Bathan. And there's a shuffle of players. We have on the side of the Armstrong Philippines. Ipapasok na dito si Samson. And for the Blue Lions, we have Magkawas. Fernandez. Matatapikan dito ni Takderan. To Andre. Finds Regalo. Back-to-back points by Regalo. We have a foul. We have a whistle against Nebreja, third personal foul, and a warning for penalty. And a basket by Fernandez.
Yan ay lalo pang gumagaling sa hilig. Nagiging marespeto, malakas puso at isip. Handa nang lagpasan yung mga dati ko na limit. Kung trip mo din maging big, tara sa Velvet Dilig. Sumabay, tumakda, tumalon din ako. Tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka boss. Mga moves na pang hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang paliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet Dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet Dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet Dilig, basketball.
We are back after that timeout by the Blue Lions. Sorry I was gone for a while. I just had to clarify some things sa ating committee. Steal by Tabilangon. No good. Magkawas. Goes the ball to Soriano. Finally a basket for the Blue Lions. Basan. Tur. Regalo, no good. Andre on that rebound. Sorry, Panganiban. Dalawa kasi Andre, no? One from both teams. You have Andre Batan and Andre Panganiban. Matan to Regalo to Matan to Tabilangon. Launches a 3. And Kirby makes that big 3 for the Armstrong Philippines. Fernandez to Soriano. Back to Fernandez, and that follow-up is good. Regalo loses that ball, but we have an offensive foul whistled on number 5, Regalo. Second personal foul para dito kay Regalo. Sumage, what a pass to Soriano. And it is down to 5 para dito sa Armstrong. Wow, Mendoza with a strong rebound against Meneses. A backcourt violation para dito kay Mab. And Mab immediately apologizing for that error on his side. Tabilangon, and Kirby gets another 3 para dito sa Armstrong. And after the 3, Tabilangon with a steal. But Tabilangon couldn't handle that leather. A turnover on the side of Armstrong Philippines. Mendoza lumipad, no good. Fernandez hindi mahabol doon. Imabi yung bola. Lapa ang leather. And matatabik dito ni Magkawas. Pero mababawi ni Candelaria. Tula Pastora on the perimeter. No good. Soriano on the big rebound. Magkawas for 3. That's too strong para dito kay Jacob Magkawas. Gonzalez sa Bilangon to Candelaria. Sorry, that's Lapap to Gonzalez. A steal by Fernandez to Magkawas, and he is blocked. A big block by Lapa. Soriano to cut that lead to 6 as we approach our last 2 minutes of our first half. This is still a matchup sa pagitan ng Liceo at ng LBDL Armstrong. And Lapa fires a big 3 para dito sa LBDL Armstrong. Vince Jacob Kalangi to Fernandez. What a block dito ni La Pastora. If I am not mistaken, then mga ka-Velvet, this is a rematch from the Junior MPBL Pocket League. Last time, I believe Liceo and Albida already faced each other during the MPBL Laguna Leg qualifiers. That's out of bounds. We're now approaching the last minute of our second quarter. Lapa on the leather. Finds Pareha. Binili kay Lapa. Lapas spins. He launches, no good. Mendoza to Kalangi, back to Mendoza. Mendoza attacks, and he gets that basket. May kasama pang foul. A whistle on jersey number 23. That's Gonzalez. First personal foul and penalty. Bonus shot, no good. Para dito kay Mab. And Lapa. Wow. But he misses. Magkawas fires a 3. Sorry, yes, it's Magkawas. Nalito na ako doon sa dalawa ni Magkawas and Sumage. But that's Magkawas who attempted that 3. Soriano. Hayden fires. No good. Aaron Clyde is there on the follow-up. And it's good for the Blue Lions, and lead is now down to 5. But Pareja tries, no good. Last 5 seconds. And Kalangi couldn't get that buzzer beater shot. And that's it for a second quarter. Official score 35-30, 5-point lead by Armstrong. And we will be back second half.
Bola, 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 bola is life. Dapat bola, 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 bola is life. Dapat bola, 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 bola is life. Dapat bola, 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 bola is life. Sumabay, tumakda, tumalon, din ako, tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka post. Mga moves na pang hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang paliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga.
Dito sa laro, di lang puro atake. Dapat meron kang diskarte, di pwedeng makasarili. Galawang malabro, Jason Williams kung pumasa. Double crossover na parang Iverson gumana. Iwanang babantay sa'yo, fake sabay rekta. Quick release ang banat parang Steph Curry tumira. Wag nga lang pakumpiyansa sa laro, bilog ang bola. Manalo sa laban, yan din gusto nilang makuha. Ipasa ang bola kapag hindi mo na kaya. Buong loob kang magtiwala sa iyong mga kasama. Iwasan ng turnover, tanggalin ang iyong kaba. Natural lang na ma-pressure pag dinouble team ka na. Sa mga play na ginawa ni coach, tayo ay mag-focus na din lang mga kalaban. Na parang na modus ay ito ay nalang dikdikan to. Coast to coast, kapag gumana to, champion tayo, tayo ang magto-toast.
Sumabay, tumakda, tumalon, din ako, tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka post. Mga moves na pang hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang paliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, liga, liga,
Come
liga.
and bounce the ball, likat sumabay. Bibihirang sumablay kahit sumakay. Mga maniti na nga'y street ballin'. Determinado sa laro, we can never fallin'. Kapag lumea parang agila, lakas ng stamina, run malamaki na. Kala mo nakakape pagkabarako. Kapag sumalaksak, lakad ay inaararo. Minulog pa si Steve Nash, D-Wade ang speed flash. Cash out na ang mga boys, ready na ang Gcash. Ilang segundo crucial, walang kaba sa free throw.
And welcome back to the ball game, mga ka-Velvet. This is the start of our third quarter. What a run for that second quarter. And to start our second half, that's Aaron Clyde Fernandez with a 2. What a run for both teams, no? During that second quarter, they've really, all their players really have given their all when it comes to giving points for their team. And that's Kalangi on a recent basket. And again, before we continue with our second half, of course, the Velvet South basketball. Wow, there's a light. Finally. Velvet South basketball battle of the training camps and ball clubs will not be possible without the help and support of our partners. Siyempre, una na dyan, AG Sports Apparel by Mr. AG Cabanse. Basta gawang AG, quality. Basta gawang AG, gawang quality. And our next sponsor is, of course, Brotherhood Barbershop, who's sponsoring 3 haircut vouchers for best players of the game, kada division. We also have JEJ Auto Care, A+ Muscle Recovery, and of course our official media production partner is Velvet Media Productions by Cap JJ Magirang. So, kila si Jay. Akala ko kaya nila. Ay, maglaro ka na muna bago tayo pumunta doon. Sumugod ka na, may isang laro pa naman bago kayo. Chat kita mamaya kung aabot ka pa, pero may dala ka na ng panglaro. Nang sapatos. Sige na, ako na po kami dito. May isa pa. Ito, tapos may isa pa, tapos saka kayo. Saka tayo pala. Sige na, muna. Ito kami dito lang. Wala pa. Tatawag ako sa iyo mamaya, nagko-commentator lang ako, ha? A huge shout out, of course, to John Davey Manalo of AG Apparel. Wild Boys. Sorry, I was just talking to JD Manalo. So the lead is now back to Liceo. 1-point lead because of that run by Liceo. First shot, no good para dito kay Andre. Zero out of 2 para dito kay Andre Basan. And on the rebound is Andre Panganiban. Mapipituhan dito, Andre Basan. For his first personal and first team foul on the side of the Armstrongs. Kirby with that steal and save. And we have a foul. Mapipituhan dito, jersey number 30, Magkawas for his first personal foul and second team foul for the Blue Lions. Bathan on the free throw line. Still couldn't make a basket on that line. Para dito kay Batan. A good save there, no, by Kirby Tabilangon. Almost a turnover, almost an out of bounds, pero nakuha yun ni Kirby. And that brings us to a deadlock for our third quarter. Sorry, that's not Tolentino. Soriano fakes. Here comes Coronado. That's too strong. Lapa goes to coast. Ball will go to the side of the Blue Lions. Tolentino to Coronado. Back to Tolentino. And a steal by Tabilangon. And that's Batan on the layup. Coronado. Balik ang kalamangan dito sa Armstrong. Panganiban Spence. And it's a traveling violation for Lian Andre Panganiban. And it's glad to see Lian Andre back in action because we haven't seen him last week. And there's Regalo with a big three. Bring up the lead of Armstrong back to 5. Andre to Soriano. Maipapasa dito kay Bathan to Regalo. What a play there by Armstrong. Magkawas finds Coronado. Gives the ball to Tolentino. To Soriano. Soriano. Against those two defenders. Couldn't make that one. Bathan is good. And that's a run. 9-0 run, if I'm not mistaken, by Armstrong Philippines. That's 9-0 run. Here comes Magkawas. And Tabilangon on that rebound. Here comes Lapa. Puitiu. And that brings Blue Lions into a timeout. 49-38, 11-point lead by Armstrong Philippines.
Dilig basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet dilig basketball, liga, 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 liga.
Pagkapasa ng bola, biglaang naging bida. Sarap sa feeling, parang sinabihan ka na may tira. Opensang parang yung kalbo na laging nakalabas dila. Depensang parang yung mama na sa buhok merong tina. May mga hatak pa sa jersey, ganon kasi may bilang. May mga hamak dyan sa gedli, silang mga watching lang na di mo dapat pakinggan. Huwag kang paiilang, pag nanalo mamalato ka sila, huwag mong bigyan. Haha, sobrang dami ng dinayo. Yung hirap at pagkatalo ay kasama sa ensayo.
And we are now back to the ball game after that timeout of the Blue Lions because of that 11-0 run by Armstrong Philippines. Here comes Kalangi, finally ending that drought for the Blue Lions. Tabilangon, mapapatapak sa linya doon si Kirby. Kalangi. Soriano misses. Snibreha. And here comes Kalangi once again. No good. Score is 51. 51-40, 11-point lead again by Armstrong Philippines. Here comes Mab Mendoza. Mendoza couldn't make that one. Reha misses. And he gets a second throw. Or the second try for that basket. Angat na muli sa 13 ang kalamangan dito ng Armstrong. Mendoza to Soriano. To Panganiban. 5 seconds to shoot. Magkawas. That's short. At pupunta ang bola dito sa Armstrong Philippines. We are now under 2 minutes para sa ating third quarter. Sorry, same ball with 2 seconds to shoot. And Magkawas couldn't get that basket. And another fast break para dito sa Armstrong. So dito kinain or dito natambakan or nakuhanan ng lead. Dito nakuha ng Armstrong yung kanilang lead, no? With those fast breaks and steals from their players. And let's see how the Blue Lions will strategize and plan to stop that run by Armstrong Philippines. This is already a 17-point lead by Armstrong. Pareha to Batan. Stebreha to La Pastora. The defense of the Blue Lions is struggling here. Panganiban. Jump ball. Armstrong ball. With 54 seconds remaining time para dito sa ating third quarter. Basan. To Nebreja. Spins. To La Pastora underneath. And steal by Andre. Sorry, it's Gonzalez pala there. Here comes Gonzalez with a 2. Last 15 seconds. And mapipituhan dito, jersey number 14, La Pastora, for his second personal and second team foul for the side of Armstrong Philippines. Last 10 seconds was third quarter. Mendoza what a pass to Tolentino. Soriano rather. And that's it for a third quarter. Official score 63-42, 21-point lead by Armstrong. And we'll be back for a fourth and final quarter.
Naging bida, sarap sa feeling, parang sinabihan ka na may tira. O pensang parang yung kalbo na laging nakalabas dila. Depensang parang yung mama na sa buhok merong tina. May mga hatak pa sa jersey, ganon kasi may bilang. May mga hamak dyan sa gedli, silang mga watching lang na di mo dapat pakinggan. Huwag kang paiilang, pag nanalo mamalato ka sila, wag mong bigyan. Haha, sobrang dami ng dinayo. Yung hirap at pagkatalo ay kasama sa ensayo. Aminado, kahinaan di tinago. Niyakap ang pagbabago, nakinig sa mga payo. At dahil dyan ay lalo pang gumagaling sa hilig. Nagiging marespeto, malakas puso at isip. Handa nang lagpasan yung mga dati ko na limit. Kung trip mo din maging big, tara sa Velvet Dilig.
Sumabay, tumakda, tumalon din ako. Tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi
And this is the start of our fourth and final quarter. Still AR-16 under matchup sa pagitan ng Blue Lions at ng Armstrong. Start a basket for the Armstrong Philippines. Sumage to Mendoza. Mendoza gets that basket with a foul. Mapipituhan dito jersey number 11, Pareha, third personal foul. First team foul. Bonus shot for Mab. No good. Makukuha dito ni Kirby. And mga ka-Velvet, stay tuned because we still have 2 more games for today. After this matchup, we have our last 16 under division matchup. It's SBA playoff versus Laguna Hope Dreamers. And for our main event of the evening, we have Creekside San Rafael versus AG Apparel Wild Boys. Just stay tuned, mga ka-Velvet. And that's Panganiban on the leather. Panganiban spins, Panganiban hesitates, Panganiban is fouled. Foul on jersey number 14. La Pastora, that will be his third. And the second team foul for the side of Armstrong. Andre misses his first one. Second throw is good para dito kay Lian Andre Panganiban. Candelaria finds Kirby. Candelaria, binigay kay Pareha, pumukol ng 3. Near good. The ball will go to the side of the Blue Lions. Panganiban gives the ball. Jersey number 17. Areza. Areza is now deployed inside. Areza tries, no good. Areza, wala pa rin. Makukuha ni Andre. Panganiban mapipituhan ng offensive foul. That will be his first personal and first team foul. For Panganiban, Tabilangon fires a 3. Yes, sir! That's a 3-pointer brought to you by John Kirby Tabilangon. And a big block by Kirby. Here comes Kirby once again. Kirby attacks. Out of bounds, but the ball will remain with LBDL. Kirby fires another 3. This time it's no good. Pero makukuha ni Pareha. Fires a long 2. No good. Sumage on the leather. Sumage spins. Sumage gives the ball to Fernandez, pero nababasa doon ni Pareha. Here comes Candelaria. He gets that basket para dito sa LBDL Armstrong Philippines. Mendoza to Fernandez. It's good. It's now a 23-point lead para dito sa mga nakaberde. Tabilangon on the leather. Finds La Pastora. La Pastora, no good. And we have a foul. It's jersey number 14, La Pastora. Fourth personal foul para dito kay Miguel La Pastora. Vince Calangi is back inside. Calangi to Fernandez, loses that letter. Candelaria. Mapipituhan ng traveling dito. Si Troy. Fernandez. Hesitates to give that ball to Mab. Comes Areza. Areza finds a way, but couldn't get that basket. And Regalo fires a 3, no good. Aaron Clyde is there. Kalangi to Mendoza. Mendoza trying. And Mendoza fires. And he gets that basket. Regalo fix. Regalo finds Candelaria. Pareha. Pareha. That's too strong. Makukuha na dito. Aaron Clyde. To Mendoza. To Areza for 2. Babawasan dito ang kalamangan netong Armstrong Philippines. Lead is now down to set 19. Here comes Candelaria for 3. No good. Kalangi on that leather. Kalangi dumidiretso. Finds Areza. Pumukol ng 3. Masyado malakas yun para dito kay Areza. And Meneses misses that one. Mab on the leather. That's out of bounds. Ball will remain on. Will go to the side of Elbidel Armstrong. Candelaria. Lebreja. Candelaria fires. No good. Soriano, that big rebound. Hindi mapapansin dito ni Vince that the clock is winding down. Mapipito siya ng 8 segundo. Regalo to Candelaria rather. Nebreja couldn't get that one. Panganiban. Andre attacking jersey number 3. Andre underneath, no good. Comes Regalo coast to coast and he gets that basket. Pangatiban. Foul on jersey number 5, Regalo. Warningan dito for penalty. Armstrong Philippines. Soriano to Kalangi. Kalangi lays it up. No good, but Fernandez to Soriano. Pero Regalo makakalusot dito against Coronado. Panganiban. Out of bounds. Ball will remain on the side of the Blue Lions. Mapipituhan dito na offensive foul, jersey number 16, Aaron Clyde Fernandez. That will be second personal and second team foul. Still a 21-point lead para dito sa LBDL Armstrong Philippines. Candelario. Candelario finds Just number 15, and it's good. That's a big three-pointer by Meneses. Kalangi. Mababasa doon ni Reha. Yung pasahan nila ni Panganiban. And we have an unsportsmanlike foul whistled. On Hayden Soriano. And he will be out for the rest of the game. It's 2 shots plus ball possession para dito sa LBDL Armstrong. Nebreha misses his first one. Second one is good. And we are now down to our last 2 minutes of the ball game. Lapa to Meneses. He gets that buzzer beater 3 para dito kay Meneses. Jimenez. Solentino. That pass. Mapapalas dito ang bato ng LBDL. And we are now down to our last minute of the ball game. 26-point lead para dito sa LBDL. Gonzalez. That's out of bounds. Panganiban. 2 points. Nebreha. Last 30 seconds. 24-second shot clock violation. Panganiban to Fernandez. Still no good. That's an out of bounds. Ball will remain on the side of the Blue Lions. Panganiban spins. He attacks. Kalangi on the follow-up is good. Last 10 seconds. Lapa. And that basket is good. And that's it for fourth and final quarter. Winner of the game is LBDL Armstrong. We're waiting for table officials to confirm who's the best player of the game. And our best player of the game is none other than jersey number 12, Andre Bathan. Stay tuned mga ka-Velvet, we still have 2 more games to go and we will be back for the Velvet South Basketball Battle of the Training Camps and Ball Clubs.
Kapag hindi mo na kaya, buong loob kang magtiwala sa iyong mga kasama. Iwasan ng turnover, tanggalin ang iyong kaba. Natural lang na ma-pressure pag dinouble team ka na. Sa mga play na ginawa ni coach, tayo ay mag-focus na linlang mga kalaban. Na parang na modus ay ito ay nalang dikdikan to. Coast to coast, kapag gumana to, champion tayo, tayo ang magto-toast.
Sumabay, tumakda, tumalon din ako. Tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka post. Mga moves na pang-hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang paliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet Dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet Dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. liliga, liga, liga, liga. Velvet dilig, basketball, liliga, liga, liga, liga.
Come and bounce the ball.